And let's get to some good news. Now, inflation stood at 5% in August 2019, registering the largest month-on-month decline in 2 years. According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, this significant decline was brought about by a general drop in both food and non-food prices over the last 31 days. This decline means households and businesses have been afforded some relief with less pressure on their budgets. In the period under review, however, the cost of transport went up owing to the upward review of prices at the pump.